first grade families and students. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Nearpod. Nearpod is an online platform that we are going to be using for many of our assessments during this online learning time. First thing you're going to want to do is go to our class website. Then you will want to click on the Assessments tab. Once you click on the Assessments tab, it says how to use Nearpod. That's where you'll find this video. It will stay up in case you need it for future reference. Then, the first one on there is our Comprehension Test for Friday. That's the one we're going to use as an example. You will want to click on this link, which will bring you to nearpod.com/student. Then you want to go back and look at this code, XWDJU. It will be different for every single assessment, so make sure that you're checking that code. Then when you go back to this screen, you're going to want to type that code in and then hit join. Okay, once you get to this screen, as you can see, it has my name in there currently. You are going to want to delete that, and you are going to want to put in your student's name. This part right here is not necessary. Then hit join session. This is what the comprehension test will look like. This is the paper that I usually give them that they read off of. I have actually read the story to them, so if you click the play button, it will read it for you. Once they have read it, then they can go to the next page. There's 3 pages of the story. Again, push the play button to listen. And the third one, play button to listen. And then we get to the questions. So, same thing with these questions. If you push the play button, it will read them to you. It reads the question answers to them as well. They will want to select an answer and then hit next. If they hit this side button, it will just skip it. So make sure that they are hitting next. Then listen to the question, answer, hit next, listen to the question, hit next. And then when you get to the last question, instead of next, it says submit. So then this information goes to me so that I can put it in their grade. This says that I got 0 out of 4 correct. It will give you an automatic feedback for the multiple choice. But there's also one non-multiple choice that is usually handwritten by the students. So if you hit the next button, then it will bring you to this open-ended question. There are 2 options for this question. They can either type their answer in this text box here, or they can scroll down and push the microphone and it will record their voice as long as you have a microphone setting on your computer or device. Once again, you can hit the play button to read the question. Then once you're done with everything, go ahead and submit. Once you see this screen that says nearpod.com and tap to start over, you can go ahead and exit out of the screen, and that is how you do a Nearpod. As always, please let me know if you have any questions or if any links are not working. Thank you.